Just got home from work, another mail day. My PuttOut mat finally came. It's been a whole massive 2 days. Amazon waiting, I know, really critical amounts of waiting. I'm actually in the box, didn't even open it yet. I'm gonna open it right here and do a straight rollout, see exactly how flat it rolls out because I've seen nothing but great comments about it being the flattest rolling mat out there. So let's do an open and find out. So, go. It's like Christmas. So, packing paper. There it is. It's all rolled up. Nothing fancy about it at all. It's in the plastic. So we got a little insert here. PuttOut putting mat. Little drills that are on here. I can take a picture of that and put that on there for later when we need to go over it. Fun facts about putting. But here it is. This is the part that I couldn't wait for. Actually unrolling it. So, comes in a nice drawstring here. You can easily carry it with you. Goes over the shoulder, all that fun stuff if you want to. I feel that the bag has this like hard tube around it. Probably helps it keep its form. Straight from the package. I can tell right off the feel, it's better than any other putting mat I've ever had, ever tried. I've got another brand in my closet over there that I've been waiting to get rid of, but this is it. It's the PuttOut. So let's get you a better view. You know what? If we're gonna do this, we gotta do it right. There you go. Top of the line editing here. All right. There it is. From the package, rolled straight out. Straighten it out here. There it is, folks. It's done. Here's the mat. There is no creases in this. Nothing. It's been in a package, rolled up for I don't know how long. Come to me from Amazon. So let's do a quick test. All right. So, already got it. PuttOut, ready to go. Right there in the spot. Now, next thing, ball. Because again, stars and stripes. Do whatever we can. PuttOut guys, I love you. I love your product. I love what you guys are doing for the golf game. I know you're in Europe, but come Ryder Cup time, it's over. It's done. So, let's see if I can make anything happen. The pressure on the PuttOut. Ball. Putter. You get no editing here. This is all live time. I'm gonna line it right up the dot here. Boom. I practice putting with this thing as much as I can. First putt out of the box, no practice swings. There you go. It can't be said enough. It's been said on Golficity. It's been said any other place on the internet that you look. Get the PuttOut. It's worth the money. It's about $90 on Amazon. The PuttOut itself is $30 for the device. The mat, again, $90. Get one. Get one for yourself. Get one from your dad. Get one from your mom. Get one for somebody who doesn't even like golf. Bring it to fundraisers. It doesn't matter. Get one. I'm going to spend the next 20 minutes putting on this when I'm supposed to be making dinner before my wife gets home. So, yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait. Hopefully you guys get one. If you haven't had one or if you already have one, let me know. I'd see if you love it the same as I do.